you're stuck in conversations and can't leave without feeling rude, this lesson is for beginner English learners who know how to start talking but freeze when it's time to go. By the end, you'll exit any conversation smoothly and politely in English. Miss these phrases and you'll waste hours trapped in awkward small talk you don't want. Brian, have you ever been stuck talking to someone when you needed to leave?
Oh yeah, I just stand there nodding forever.
That's painful, but there's actually a polite formula for leaving.
There is?
Yes, Americans use specific signals. First, you give a reason, any reason.
Like what?
It can be simple. I need to get going, or I should probably head out.
That's it?
That's the start. The key word is should or need to. It sounds less harsh than I'm leaving.
I should probably head out.
Good, but say it with a smile. Your tone matters more than the words.
Really?
Yes, if you sound annoyed, it feels rude. If you sound friendly, it's fine.
Okay, so I smile and say I need to go.
Right. Practice. Say, I should probably get going.
I should probably get going.
Excellent. Say it again.
I should probably get going.
Perfect. Now here's step 2. Add a small reason after.
What kind of reason?
Doesn't have to be detailed. Say, I have an appointment, or I need to meet someone.
Do I have to tell the truth?
Not really. In American culture, these are polite excuses. Everyone uses them.
So it's normal to be vague?
Completely normal. You're being polite, not lying.
That's good to know.
So try the full thing. I should get going. I have an appointment.
I should get going. I have an appointment.
Great, but there's one more piece. You need to thank them.
For what?
For the conversation. Say, it was nice talking to you, or thanks for chatting.
Even if it wasn't nice?
Yes, it's just polite closing language, like saying goodbye.
Okay, it was nice talking to you.
Good. Now put all 3 parts together. Give it a try.
I should get going. I have an appointment. It was nice talking to you.
Perfect. That's a complete polite exit.
Wow, that was easy.
It is once you know the structure, but what if someone keeps talking anyway?
That happens to me all the time.
Then you repeat your exit, but add movement.
Movement?
Start walking or stand up. Physical signals help.
So I can't just say it and stand there?
Not really. Your body has to match your words.
That makes sense.
Say, well, I really should run, and take a step back.
Well, I really should run.
Good. Run is another way to say leave. It sounds casual.
I like that. It's less formal.
Exactly. Now let's talk about phone calls. That's harder for some people.
Oh yeah, I never know when to hang up.
Same formula. You give a signal first.
What do I say?
Say, I'll let you go, or I won't keep you.
Wait, I'll let you go? But I'm the one who wants to leave.
I know, it's weird, but it's polite because you're pretending they're busy.
That's so American.
It is. We avoid directness to be nice. Practice. Say, I'll let you go.
I'll let you go.
Good. Say it again.
I'll let you go.
Perfect. Now add talk to you later or speak soon.
Talk to you later.
Great. Now, what if you're at a party or event?
Those are the worst. Everyone's standing around.
I know, but there's a trick. Excuse yourself to do something specific.
Like what?
Say, I'm gonna grab a drink, or I need to find the bathroom.
Oh, so I have a task.
Exactly. It gives you a clear reason to move away.
That's smart.
And here's the key. You don't actually have to do the thing.
Really?
No one's watching. You just need the excuse to walk away politely.
I never thought of it that way.
Most people don't. Now let's talk about long talkers, people who don't take hints.
Those are the hardest.
Yes, with them you have to be more direct, but still polite.
How?
Use their name. Say, Brian, I really need to run, but this was great.
Using the name helps?
It gets their attention. It signals you're serious about leaving.
Brian, I really need to run, but this was great.
Perfect. That's firm but kind.
What if they still keep talking?
Then you just go. You've been polite enough.
I always feel guilty, though.
Don't. You gave them multiple signals. That's all you owe them.
True.
Here's another situation. Video calls. Those can be awkward too.
Yeah, when do you end those?
Watch for natural pauses. When there's a break in conversation, jump in.
And say what?
Say, well, I should let you get back to your day.
I should let you get back to your day.
Exactly. Then add, thanks for fopping on, or good to see you.
Good to see you.
Now you're ready for any situation, but let me give you one warning.
What?
Don't say, I'm bored, or I have to go now. Those sound rude.
Even if they're true?
Especially if they're true. Politeness is more important than honesty here.
Okay, keep it vague and friendly.
Right. And one more thing. If you're ending with someone you'll see again, add future language.
Like what?
Say, let's catch up soon, or see you next week.
Even if I don't mean it?
It's just friendly closing. Everyone does it.
Let's catch up soon.
Perfect. Now practice the whole exit one more time. Pretend we're at a coffee shop.
Okay. Emily, I should probably get going. I have a meeting. It was really nice talking to you.
Excellent. You sound totally natural.
Thanks. I feel way more confident now.
Good, because exits are just as important as introductions.
I never realized that.
Most people don't. They practice hellos, but not goodbyes.
This changes everything.
Remember, you don't need permission to leave. Just be polite about it.
Right. Signal, reason, thank them.
Exactly. You've got this. Here's a question for you. What's the most awkward conversation you couldn't escape? Tell us in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe so you never miss a lesson on Real English.